Welcome to the World Partition Series Part 13 on Landscape HLODs. This is the first of multiple videos on the UE5 HLOD system. In this video, we will be discussing creating landscape HLODs, also known as hierarchical levels of detail, with UE 5.2. The HLOD system generates low-resolution decimated static meshes as placeholders for high-resolution geometry. These HLODs are then rendered as distant object versions of the geometry for performance optimization. To control the resolution of the landscape HLOD mesh before generating the landscape HLODs, modify the Landscape All LOD Distribution LOD 0 Screen Size property. The default value for this property is 0.5, which is a full resolution landscape mesh. For creating landscape HLODs, you will typically use a screen size value such as 2.0 during the HLOD build process, and then reset the landscape property back to the default value for normal world operation. You will have to experiment with the property value to see what value results in the amount of decimation that you require. Be sure to not try values such as 1.0 on large landscapes, since a 16321 by 16321 landscape at screen size of 1.0 requires about 730 gigabytes of memory and close to 2 hours to complete. A value of 2.0 on a 16321 landscape requires around 50 gigabytes of memory and about 15 minutes to complete. Note that this HLOD build function does support using the Windows page file, so if your computer does not have sufficient RAM memory, you may be able to still build the HLODs. The build process will just be much longer if the computer uses the page file. The HLOD system uses polygon decimation for each landscape streaming proxy region, which reduces the number of triangles per given region. This can result in a decimated HLOD that is different resolutions for each region, depending on the height map complexity, as shown in this image. This is not an error, but varying resolutions per region. Using a larger screen size property value will usually reduce or remove the varying resolutions, since it uses a lower HLOD resolution per region. The landscape HLOD meshes vary depending on the landscape complexity and the screen size chosen. All of the screen sizes from 1.0 to 5.0 result in the same HLOD meshes on this example 4033 landscape.